Hello and welcome to you all. So in this video we are going to see one special use case where we can import the product or we can import the record with its binary field in our database. Let's consider that we can have only access the database. We cannot access the server, or we are not able to install any third-party or custom module in our database, and we need to import the records with image file or binary file. So how we can do it in Odoo? So as we are already know that in Odoo version 18 we have one special functionality that now we can select the images or select the binary field when we are importing the record. So if I am going to my YouTube channel, I have already uploaded one video that we can now select the images in version 18. So for this demo purpose, we can see I am importing the product with its image, and we have the functionality to select our files when we are importing it. But this is in Odoo version 18. Let's say we are in version 17 or older version of Odoo like version 16 and so on. So if we need to import the product, and with that product we want to import the images, then how we can do it in easy way if we have only database accessible. So for this demo I am on version 17 database, and I am going through to import the product with its images in Odoo. So let's go to the inventory module, product. So I have two products, one is chocolate and one is lifesaver. Now there's a possibility you have multiple products. You can follow the same situation or same way that you can import all the images and you can upload it in product. So let's consider you need to import the images in database. So we have one way we can import it with URL, image URL. So instead of one by one images selection, we can import it through URL. But how we can add the URL? So I'm considering one scenario that I can use a discuss module. So you can click on discuss and you can go to general. Here we can import the product images which we need to upload it in our product form. So I have two products and I am selecting two images. So I have two products and I'm just selecting it. So I have just added my two images, the lifesaver and the Kit Kat chocolate. So these two fields, these two images I want in our product. So yes, I have already attached it in message. So these images are already added in attachment. So let's go to attachment. So we can see the images are available in attachment. Now let's just group by the public field. So we have is public boolean. So we need a public image for image URL. So I'll just make it a public, and now we need to export this image with the URL of it. So we can easily group it by created user, or we can group it by resource model. So I have two images, so I'll just selecting it, but you can group it and select and just export. Let's just remove all the other fields. We just need a name and a local URL. Let's just export. I have exported the image with name and attach URL. We can say the attachment URL is accessible now, but these are the half URL. We need a full URL. So we just need to add our instance address over here. So I'm using a local address. So we need the URL of our instance. I'm using a local server. So we just need 00008069. So let's just add it over here. And we need to concat this both URL and create one separate URL for ourselves. So I'm just concatenating these two URL and creating my one full URL. So we just need a first URL and with the second one. So this is now our full URL. We just export for both, and now take this URL as a attachment URL and we just paste it as a simple text. So this is our a product and this is our attachment URL. Now we just need to export our product from our product model, and we just need to compare this, and we can use a VLOOKUP to compare our product and its attachment URL. So let's just export our product first. So I'm going to inventory, product, and on the list view I'm selecting our two products and exporting it. Now we are importing it back with images. So we just check this. I want to upload data. Over here we just need a name and an image field. Now let's just export it with the import compatible export. So we can see that now we have the product with its external ID and name. Now we need to compare the both files via VLOOKUP, and we can just take our image field, the full path of our these two image. So let me do that. So friends, I have successfully added VLOOKUP and I have already created the image path with our related product. Now let's just import this in our database. So for that, let's just go to inventory, product, and import it. So I'm uploading the file. So I have already selected the file. So we can see our external ID and image field is here. Now let's just paste and import. So we can see that now we have the image of chocolate and image of Lifesaver product with us. So likewise, you can import all your product and its images within the single database interface if you have not any accessible way from backend or any third-party module. Of course, you can just remove these two images and we just refresh the screen with the product. So we can see we have the product now with its images. So I hope guys you like these features, and if you like these features and like this video, then please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching guys.